Me, Ron, and my partner for our project here is Bossing.
Yes, I'm Agapito Francisco.
We are talking about our project today about stepper motor. Stepper motor is an motor which you can control its angle by interfacing it in a controller or a microcontroller. In our case, we are interfacing it to our desktop computer here using a parallel port. As you can see, as I system off, also the parallel port will turn off. As you can see there. Now, an stepper motor has three basic controlling. The first simplest controlling is simple stepping. The second is half stepping. And the third is high torque stepping. What is a single stepping means, Bossing?
A single stepping, this is a simple stepping mode. In this mode, each successive code is energized and the motor moves one full step at a time. Therefore, motor with a step edge of 7.5 degrees will rotate through 7.5 degrees with each step. Here how single stepping works.
Okay. As what she said, the concept of this is just sending single binary one to the first coil, next to the second coil, and so on and so forth. As you can see, I programmed the parallel port using Visual Basic language. And you can use any language you like as long as you can control the parallel port or for use some microcontroller or anything that you can control the stepper motor. Here we are, as you can see, the first move is sending binary one, logic 1 to the coil 1. This means is checking the manual control coil 1. As you can see, it light. Also with the alligator clip, you can see that here the data 4 is also 1, and next is coil 2 sending, and followed by coil 3, and followed by coil 4, and so on and so forth. Here we have the control and clockwise position. Later on, I will demo to you how in our project how it works. Let's just go for the meaning of the half stepping first. Half stepping, Bossing, is
half stepping, the difference between single stepping and a half stepping, that is for the same step rate. That half stepping gives you half the speed but twice the resolution of a single step. For a motor with a step angle of 7.5 degrees, half stepping, it would result in approximately 3.75 degrees of rotation.
Here it works. By the difference of single stepping is for a single command, you can rotate it 7.5 degrees. Whereas in the half stepping, you can rotate it in 3.75 degrees. Its coding is here it works. First sending only one coil with binary 1, followed by 2 coils having binary 1, and followed by another 1 coil with 1, and another 2 coils with logic 1, and so on and so forth. The third design control for microcontroller is high torque stepping. Bossing, what is a high torque stepping?
A high torque stepping of 2 coils excitation, as the name suggests, this stepping mode would result in a higher torque. Now that we know a little about parallel force and the stepper motor, it's time to get started.
Okay. The high torque stepping is sending 2 coils with logic 1. We will show to you how our stepper motor works. We interface the parallel port with the stepper motor by a use of ULN 2003 IC. This is a common emitter Darlington pair. But
Now we will connect the alligator pin here.
it corresponds to the
And
first
the other-
coil is corresponds to data 4, second coil is data 5, and so on and so forth. Because our data 0 and data 1, 2, and 3 is just corresponds to the indicator lead.
The other one here, we will
And
need
for our supply for our stepper motor is about 12 volts. We'll show it to you. This is our power supply. Our stepper motor can work at 9 volts to 24 volts, so I'm just now using just 9 volts. Here we can connect, as a sign here, there's a connection for ground. And the other is here for the 9 volts. For the half stepping, as I click the clockwise rotation, it will take clockwise. You can see. As I click counterclockwise, it will rotate counterclockwise also. You see. You can change the speed of the rotation of the stepper, just simply changing this. I'll change this to 1000 for faster rotation. It doesn't signify any unit because this is for the only for the code. I just coded. If you can change this to slower. I changed it to 500, so it moves slower, as you can see. As you can see, the half single stepping is, look at the parallel. It's just sending one binary 1. And the half stepping is just like this. That is half stepping. And for the high third stepping is like this. Here's how it works for the high third stepping. Also, in our Visual Basic programming, I make a simple degrees. Nothing.
yes, we have get the pin into 45 degrees, and if we will click the 45 degrees, we can, if we will click the 45 degrees, the button 45 degrees, we will show what is the moves of the 45 degrees.
We're setting it to initial first to determine. As you can see, it is on initial. Then click 45 degrees.
Yes, that's right. It moves 45 degrees.
As you can see, it moves 45 degrees. And click it once again to make it 90 degrees button.
Yes. We will click 45 degrees again.
It's 45 degrees. And we'll back to the initial. We can also click 90 degrees.
Okay.
Clicking 90 degrees. Oh, it's 90 degrees already, right? And we have 35 degrees, 180 degrees, 225 degrees, 170 degrees, 315 degrees, and 360 degrees. I'll show you the 360 degrees for third time.
We will set the
stepper motor in its initial.
here, and we will put the button into 360 360 degrees. Okay, that's right. The stepper motors works through continuing works rotate to 360 degrees. Okay, that's okay. It's right.
So, it's 170 degrees, 315, and
Yes,
it's 360 degrees, and stop.
that's right.
Right?
Okay.
Stop. So, here, we use it for in-outs of the fire port. So, in total, we have 4:2. That's about 16 different codes, combination you can experiment with. Here, I put a manual control system, so you can manually give and signal to the stepper motor. As you can see, if I click the coil 1, it runs. This is about 7.5 degrees. If I click coil 2, it also moves 7.5 degrees. A total of 15 degrees. And so on and so forth. You can continue experimenting on your own in code some. You can also code your own programming in any language. Bossing, any last reminder?
Yes. This is the stepper motor. We thank you so much for
listening.
for listening and in performing this activity.
That's all, and thank you.
Bye there.